Look, yeah, that barber's cut in on the United States of America flick. There's an Asian man. There's also Asian people. What is it? Sushi, Chinese massage. I see everything now. Look there. That man is cutting on our flick. I sure. New York, we got our own flick. Like South Africa has their own flag. The state, each state have their own flag. Like in South Africa, and then have their own flag to Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe have their own flag to Angola. Angola have their own flag to Chad. Then you get Saudi Arabia, Morocco. Like that, Turkey. Then you get Kentucky in the United States of America, Chicago, St. Louis, Colorado, Washington D.C., New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco. There's a lot more. Um, Manitoba, Utah, all that 50 states. Yeah. That is the Asian shop. The Chinese man is a busy there, massaging on the television again. Okay, but I knew about this place before I came here. I knew what I was expecting, but thanks, God is a good one. The life go on. It's festive season, and I need to get home. Somewhat, sometimes, but there's a Kwai Baba, Lagoon, Bechalon, Sapo, Exotic, Beko, the Beko. Yes, all this Asian mark, perfume tobacco.